best timing for you to check back on how far you've gone is during the times when you feel I'm stuck. At the times when you feel, wala namang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Ba't parang ganito? Bakit ang hirap ng buhay? Whenever you fall down during those times wherein you're feeling challenged, that's when I look back. Look how far I've gone. And that will motivate me at a very low point to shoot me back up again. I can't stop right now.
Sana naiisip din ng ibang tao yan, no, na napapansin nila na stuck na ako. Kaya I need to persevere and pursue my dreams. Kasi ayoko na ganito na lang ako.
Yeah.
Talagang to achieve all their dreams, no? Na maghanap ng paraan. No, ikaw kasi hinahanap mo siya talaga, no? And hinahanap mo kahit na nag-fall down ka or nag-rise up ka, but still dinala ka pa rin sa gusto ni Lord para sa iyo.